How to enable or disable automatic sign-in on Microsoft Edge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change this setting step by step. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Passwords and Autofill. Next, select Microsoft Password Manager. Look for the Ask to Save Passwords and Passkeys option. If you want Microsoft Edge to save your passwords and make signing in easier, leave this option turned on. If you don't want Edge to save your passwords, simply turn the toggle off. Once you've changed the setting, you can close the settings page. The change should take effect automatically. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable password saving and automatic sign-in behavior in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Microsoft Edge and Windows tutorials.